powering Pharma's ESG transformation with expert project management. When traditional pharma meets the digital wave, how can it tackle inefficient coordination, elusive compliance risks, and sustainability challenges? AUSTAR's consulting team leverages ISPE, GEP, and ASTM E2500 management principles to safeguard and steer enterprises through their ESG transformation. We have replaced the fragmented management model with a dedicated team of pharmaceutical industry experts, ESG consultants, and project management team. This team conducts integrated assessments across production, quality, warehousing, and equipment to design customized low-carbon solutions. Our end-to-end sustainable development solution is built around 4 pillars: energy utilization, circular supply chain management, digital energy conservation and smart operation, green production, and process optimization. We provide full service support from strategy to execution and continuous operation.